In a verdant valley, nestled among the mountains, there lived a wise old llama named Llamar. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and kindness. One day, a young llama named Llamey arrived in the valley. Llamey was arrogant and boastful, always talking about his future greatness. Llamar, seeing the young llama's pride, decided to teach him a lesson. One day, a terrible storm swept through the valley. The wind howled, the rain pounded, and the mountains shook. Llamey, feeling safe in his strong shelter, laughed at the other animals who were scared. But the storm grew worse, and Llamey's shelter began to leak. The water filled his home, and Llamey was in danger. He realized his mockery had been foolish and asked Llamar for help. Llamar, who had been observing, approached Llamey. "Why did you laugh at the other animals, Llamey?" he asked. "They were only trying to stay safe." Llamey, now humbled, confessed his pride and asked for forgiveness. Llamar, seeing the change in Llamey, showed him a dry shelter. "Here, Llamey," he said, "you will stay here until the storm passes." The storm raged on for days, but Llamey stayed patient and grateful in his shelter. When the storm finally passed, he thanked Llamar for his wisdom and guidance. From then on, Llamey was no longer proud. He learned the value of humility and kindness, and he shared his newfound wisdom with others. The valley thrived under the leadership of Llamey, and Llamar's teachings lived on. In the end, the moral of the story is, pride comes before a fall, but humility lifts us up. Always remember to be kind, patient, and humble, for these traits will lead to wisdom and happiness.